Hey Angela, I'm going to see if I can show you how to do that access thing. So for the textbook, if you go to OpenStax, all right, and then you choose science and your textbook. Actually, I don't even think you have to do all that. If you come over here and click on login, there you go. Okay, it says need an account, sign up here. So you click on that. I am a and you click instructor and you just keep on going and they'll give you an account. Okay, just answer all the questions. And then for the Morton that's lab manual, to get access to that and to the answers, I don't want to log out. So let's see, if I go to instructors after I type this in at the top, morton-pub.com, then I go to instructor login. Well, see, that's the problem, is I already signed in. Um, I'm trying to remember. Contact maybe, find a rep. Um, I think when you go to instructor login, if you don't have, and I think it's the same here, if you don't have an account, um, that you, that's when you get the prompts to set your account up. Um, and then you can also, just contact them and ask them. So this is the page where you will do that. Now, once they give you access, I just want to remind you, after you type in the morton-pub.com, you're going to browse our catalog if you want to find our lab manual, and you'll go to biology and then you'll click on our lab manual, and it'll have instructor resources right here. You'll click on that, and then for every chapter it will give you all of the it'll give you the labs, even if you don't have a copy of the book right now yourself. It will give you the lab activities and the answers to the questions and all of that. So that should help you. Okay, bye.